My favorite application software is Microsoft Word. It works racing by Microsoft. I use it to write document, keyboard, and I say it is very useful because it helps you edit text, uh, check spelling, and format document. It also saves time and make work easy. By belief it that it is I to use even for believe however it also has some limitations. For example, you need to buy a license and sometimes the software can be slow on our computer.